Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to watch videos on Facebook. First of all, and of course, if you don't have a Facebook application on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an Android or an iPhone, or any other possibly like store you could be using. Then you could go, or you should go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, but if you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let me just get straight into the video. So I'll just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this steps tutorial. So let me just go here, scroll down and save some videos, because I don't have any videos like saved in this like account. So let me just go maybe save this video. Let me to save the video. Of course, you would like to go and click at the three dots at the top right of the corner of the video and click at save video. Of course, you would like to create a new location, or just maybe save it as favorites or for later. Of course, if you want now to see the video that you saved, all you need to do, just click like fast as view items. As you can see, it shows on the bottom. But if you didn't catch that, all you need to do, just go and click here at the three dots, and here, as you can see, you have here the saved option. So if you go and click on that, all you need to do, just choose the video that, wait, let me just go and click on X on this, like I don't care. So as you can see here, you have the most recent, but you have here the collections favorites. So if you click at favorites here, you'll find the video that you saved. Of course, you can say it like whenever you want. And if you want to unsave the video, all you need to do, just go and click at the, sorry, let me just go back, click at the three dots again, and as you can see here, you can go and click at remove from collections, and the video will not be saved anymore. So if I go back to save videos, I'll not find it in my collections, I'll find it in most recent, because that's actually the most recent video I saw. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.